guys, this your girl Hawaii Melody coming to you with the Sunday morning vlog. Just wanted to come by real quick and say I'm gonna be sick for a little while because I have a lot of infection going on with my mouth again, and I wanted to just come by and wish you guys a happy Sunday. Hopefully I'll be feeling better soon. Right now I'm not doing so well, just real sick with my teeth, and I'm sorry guys, it's just one of those days. Just want to say thank you to all the ones that are still sticking with me and still subscribe to me, and for the ones that are just subscribed, thank you so much. Hopefully I can put up some more videos soon and get things going. But I just want to wish you guys a happy weekend and a happy Sunday, and be blessed guys, and please keep me in your prayers, and I love you all. Have a wonderful Sunday. Bye guys.